Yeah, up now. Repping the Grace family was really good. Right now we in a tent and we are about to craft some accessories for you guys. We have the beads, we have the bracelets that is almost complete, and we gotta do it for you guys. You know what I mean? Right now we streaming while recording the behind the scenes. What perfect. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Please stay as long as possible. YouTube, thank you for the encouragement. We have Kira, I want to shout you out. Kira W6M. Shout out Kira W6M in the chat. Heal up. Um, so yeah, I was shouting out my mom. It's your birthday today. Happy birthday to mom. Happy birthday to Rishi as well. My friend Rishi, my client, one of my top clients, Rishi. Today's your birthday. Happy birthday, broski. And moms, happy birthday to both of you guys. Anybody else celebrating? Anybody else in the chat celebrating? Let me know. I'll shout you out. Big and serious. Kira says, I hope I was able to be a blessing to your life tonight. Interesting. Hey, what if I was? Would you just end with a goodbye? I hope not. Alright? I hope I see you again and again. I hope you stay as long as possible. I hope you share this video to get at least 10 of your friends to watch it. But anyway, I appreciate your time. I appreciate your commenting. I appreciate you for watching. You've been such a great new subscriber. Who would want to ask for anything else? You know what I mean? A new subscriber who would be interacting and making content. Oh wow, that's why I love you guys. That's why I love doing these streams. That's why I love what I do, big and serious. So thanks again to everybody in the chat. Thanks again to everybody who's watching this video. Please make sure and like, share, subscribe, hit the bell, turn on post notifications so you don't miss any more live streams or videos. Big and serious, eco luxury, the lifestyle, sustainable living. If that's what you're about, if that's what you like, welcome, welcome, welcome. Again, today we are about to make some craft. If that's your vibe, we also teach people how to make these, eco luxury pieces, one of one, made slowly and with intention. If that's your vibe, that's what you like. If you want to learn hands-on, stick around. You might learn how to finish one of these bracelets. These were made for babies, kids, you know what I mean? And if you want to learn hands-on, just DM me, or on Instagram, it's Greens Era Grenade on Instagram, or just leave a message here. We communicate in the chat and we, meet up in person so I could teach you guys how to make these hands-on. So Kira, one day I would like to teach you how to make these hands-on, because I know you won't be able to watch while I'm making it and learn and become a master overnight. But if you do take the classes, for at least 6 months to a year, you will master it. I promise you. So let's go. Let's get down to it, guys. For the people on the vlog, the tools that you might need are based on what we have and what me and Kira was relating to. So to make these, just for these, you need a string, you need your beads. Kira, give me a second, I'll read your messages. You need your lighter, you need your scissors, you need your beads, and that's about it to make these. So let's start, big and serious. Let's make a baby bracelet for your beautiful blessing that just reached the planet. And you know what I mean? We want to celebrate your blessing. So Kira says, that would be cool. Yeah, it will be cool. You are cool. You are cool, Kira. You are too cool. You are super duper cool. You are cool like Kool-Aid. And you comment. Okay, that's on Facebook. But yeah, big up to the people on Facebook. Big up to the people on watching me on the vlog. So let's do this. So as you can see, this bracelet, we have the beads on a string, red and black. And I can show you guys on the stream. Red and black beads, one after the next. No mistakes. If you do see any, let me know. We'll fix it on the stream. And we have the black cord running through those beads. You know, the black cord running through those beads. And if you look here, you will see the black cord again doing macrame to make the two ends cross. So they make the bracelet like this. Once the two ends cross and the macrame is over the two ends like this, these are the two ends right here. Right? The macrame is over it. I'm gonna show the video. This is the macrame right here. There's the macrame here, and there's the two ends right here. There's the two ends right here. And let's see if by numerology, some people, well, I design based on numerology and based on what the outcome I want. Okay, so now we could count. Let's count how much knots I have on one side here. Y'all with me, chat? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 in the, because I teach the 7 African powers, 7 equivalent to Ugan. Does other Orishas have the number 7 as well? I think also the Moja has 7, right? Correct me if I'm wrong, but the Moja has 7. But the Moja is blue and white, and the Ugan is black and green. So we have black. So we will go with Ugan and we will stick with 7. So let's cut the excess ends. We don't have to go more for this one. We don't have to add more knots for this one. This has perfect number 7 with the black to represent something spiritual. You know what I mean? And we can conclude with that. So let's cut the other end off. And let's burn it. Like so. Let's burn it so. Y'all seen this? Alright. You're not bringing the fire too close. Right? You're not bringing the fire too close. But you gotta make sure it burns properly. You get me, chat? So as you can see, it's a little baby bracelet. It's for a little kid. It's for a little child. You know what I mean? You can see that, right? It's for a little baby. A little baby. Right? So this is almost complete now. As you can see. This is almost complete. What we have to do next is to basically add the beads in the end. So I'm looking here. If I'm adding beads here first, on this side, right, chat? I can see end with red. So if I had to conclude, I want to add black, red, and then probably end with a last black. So it's 3. I want to add 3 here. 3 beads. Represents the Legba. 3 beads represent the leg bar with the colors black and red. That's when you're studying the 7 African paws, the leg bar is black and red with the number 3. Alright, so let's start that. Let's do that. Let's do it. So if you all enjoying the video, like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Yes, I'm talking to the live stream, and yes, I'm talking to the vlogs. Hail up. We got our beads. We got 2 black and 1 red. Let's start with the black, as I said. You load it up on a string like so. Alright. It's kind of dark in here, so it's not good to force your eyes. So just, kind of look at it to the side, you know what I mean? The bead want to fall. Falling beads. Is this the right time for a falling bead? I'm not sure. I'm not sure if this is the right time for that bead to fall here right now. Alright, I think I found it. Found it. So let's add this side. Complete it with a knot, like so. Complete it with a knot like so, so you have the 3 beads hanging on the end like this. You know what I mean? Not too close to up here. Give it some length. You know what I mean? Not too close. Give it some length. About, I would say, about 2 inches. Say about 2 inches, right? And we're doing the next side now. For this side, as you can see, you end with the black. Let me show you. Let me show the chat. End with the black. So that means you gotta start with the red. Right? Ends with the black, as you can see. So we have to do 2 red and 1 black, right? Already? 2 red, 1 black. Guys, if you're enjoying the video, like, share, subscribe. Talk to me. Don't be shy. So first we add in the red. You see this? We add in the red. Not like looking too, you know what I mean? Like trying to force the eye. Nah. It's dark. It's like almost dark. Bead falling again. So we add the red. Let's add a black. Damn, is this the right time to be looking for a bead right now? Let's find out. Let's get another one. Lucky thing you have to walk with extra beads. If it's beads, if it's beads bracelet, no they would lose, no they would fall. It doesn't guarantee. So walk with enough, walk with extra. I'm still watching, but I might not chat that much. But I'm still watching, don't worry. Thank you. I appreciate you. I appreciate your time. You know. I appreciate your silence. Chat. I appreciate her silence. I appreciate her comments. So we almost finished making this baby bracelet here, as you can see. We're trying to make the last knot. So this is how we do it. Try to make it equal, like so. See what I'm doing, right? Yeah, this is how we get it equal. Is it equal? I think it's equal. Is it equal? I think it's equal. So if not, you can just adjust it like so. Is it equal now? I think it is. So that's our first bracelet. We just slip off the excess ends, like so. Cut the excess ends. and burn. Burn. Somebody spam 5 emojis in the chat. Final burn. Don't want to get too burn, but we want to burn it enough. So there we go with a first baby bracelet, guys, for the vlog. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. As I said, if you want to learn hands-on, DM me. If you want to order something like this for your baby, your child, your blessing, DM me. If you want the baby's name on it, I could also do that, chat. I could also customize, personalize these lovely eco luxury bracelets that was made with meaning and intention live. Also on the vlog, but live. You know what I mean? And this is what I enjoy doing. You know, I have Kira here enjoying it with me. Thanks for the 5 emojis, Kira. I appreciate you. And yeah, guys, this was fun. I can't wait to do it again. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications. See y'all in the next one. Take care. Rep the grades. Equal luxury to the world. Yes, we did it. Take care. All peace and love. Boom.